Hi, this presentation is about using the deep learning application for the modern day customer experience of the retail system. So the goal of the project is basically it's going to transform the customer's shopping experience and enhance the customer shopping experience and improve the interactive features for online as well as the in-store shopping. So the basically it's using the BERT model, and also it's using the converting the take the question from the customer and convert the question into take the question into in his language and convert the question into English, and then giving back the response. So here is the structure I followed. So the customer questions and then data, I'm using the, for example, product cosmetics related information and electronics, the frozen general vegetables, etc. And the information extraction basically is depend upon the extracting web, and I have also the voice files as well. So I'm going to show, but there's some caveat in this. Um, like I need to figure out the way to use the BERT model to convert the language. So just this functions only for the English. So for the reason I came up with the another approach using the interactive kiosk. Here in the interactive kiosk, I am using the text blob and then corresponding the file, giving the file, the questions and answer. And the question is, for example, this is the Spanish question. The customer asked the question, where can I find the televisions in the store? That's in Spanish. And it's going to read the question in English, and then language, it detects the language, and that will be converted to English and gives back the response goal, aisle number 10, etc. And also I'm using the Google Trans for the language translation. Um, for the audio segment, I'm using for the audio segment to read the question, voice recognition for the question. And this basically still under implementation. So my intention is basically make it BERT model. Only right now it's working for English, but I want to make it for multiple languages and also make the voice recognition. So going forward, I'm going to make it more enhanced features by using the BERT model and elaborate this part. And this is going to be very useful, especially in doing the interactive shopping. Um, we can come up with the interactive kiosk in any retail stores. So thanks a lot.